2019 Ford F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, voice-activated navigation system, electronic stability control, fog lights, compass, trip computer, security system, rear window defroster, power windows, brake assist, panic alarm, overhead console, remote keyless entry. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.